What's up, guys? Welcome to my new video. It's been a long time, but it's time to grind again. Log in. Today, I'm dropping a new series. It's called the 30 Day 30 Assets Challenge. So, oh, my bad. I'm gonna trade 30 different assets in 30 days with elixir order flow and my own knowledge, trading knowledge, just so to prove to everyone that it works on every asset. Um, with this, I'm not saying I'm gonna upload one every single day. I'm just gonna do 30 videos. I might not have the time to do it every day. I can't make that promise. I'm gonna try to, but probably won't be every single day. Anyways, the first day is my trade on Bitcoin. I shared in my journal. I just thought I'd wanted to share this because this was a really good trade. Um, yeah, to show because there's a lot of knowledge in this trade, in my opinion. So this is the first one. We hit a W. The first day's Bitcoin. I don't know what will come tomorrow. We'll see. I'm also planning to do some random ass um, assets. Like we'll come up with something. Bitcoin is pretty obvious, but I want to do some more um, random assets. Like basically. All right. I'm gonna go into replay real quick. So first of all, what I saw was we chopped here from this POIs. There were some multiple POIs, and then I saw a lot of bullish POIs here, as you can see. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes. They were all stacked. So I had some limits at 78.8 around here for long, because if we zoom out, I thought it would get a little bounce here on these POIs. It's really just chopping here. I'm not going for a big move because that would be stupid. Um, so I'm show you order flow. I don't think there was a lot on order flow, to be honest. Well, first we can see that we got filled right here. Um, so we got filled. Um, I'm gonna try to find something on elixir order flow, although I didn't really use that on this one, but it was mainly the elixir POIs, which is just as good as in my opinion. Here we had a little big bounce, small bounce, bump, but momentum is down. 45 minute, I don't know. Um, However, as you can see, this is what I saw here. Is this was a low right here, and if we go to the 50-minute, I saw a potential SFP right here. By now you should probably know what an SFP is, otherwise ATMK will probably come for you. Anyways, I'll explain if I can find a brush here. So basically, price is just going like this. It's chopping, and then we see one wick below the swing low. And it's really or above, of course, when we're trading like this. We get one little wick above the swing high, which instantly rejects and doesn't, and it's important that the candle doesn't fill below here. Like it should be a wick like this, like here. We wick below this low, the swing low, and we reverse. So that's when I added more, so my average went down. And so we had a lot of stacked POIs together with an SFP. So I was really confident in this trade. That's why I shared it in my journal. The limits were already good, and then I saw this SFP, which was kind of predictable, anyways. So as you can see, if we switch maybe to the 5 minute, we instantly bounce up, and we hit TP. I think I took P like right here, 50%, and I let the rest run. I still have a little bit in, but that's like 20%. So yeah, I saw a lot of bearish PYs here, as you could see. So that's where I took profit. Um, this is a little introduction video with not a lot of, not a big video, but I just want to share this trade and announce this little series that I'm doing. I think the next ones will probably be more in depth and more because I'm also doing other assets and I'm gonna try to capture the trades live. Not sure if that'll work, but we'll see. So this was the first trade on Bitcoin. We can mark the first day down. I hope you guys like the series. Again, if you have any questions, you can always DM me. My DMs are open. And if I don't respond, just tag me in the chat because then I might have missed it. Um, yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Guys, my bad. I forgot something very important. I just thought I'd edit it into this video because it was also a pretty big confluence. Um, After this, you can see here we had a little range. Um, this was not really the biggest. Like this was just a good add-on when we were trading right here. I was kind of confident. That's why I took P here. I also in the my journal I said a message like I took P here 50% and I'm letting the rest run. Um, so that was because it was value area high here. With some stack bearish POI, so that's why I took 50%. That's the logical thing to do. Might even have should have taken 75%, but I didn't. Took 50 because these SFP usually create a big rally up. Um, Anyways, so we had this value area right here. Was pretty nice movement from value area low to value area high. We will probably see value area low again soon. Because as you can see, oh, we already rejected. Where are we now? Well, anyways, I'll just do this. Yeah, we'll see. So this value area, if you don't know how to put it down, what I do is just go right here. If you can't find it here, you can click on this little arrow with the long positions. Then I just target it like this from the beginning of the range to the end. Then I take a little triangle, put it like this, lock it right here, and then you can see this one is a little bit off. I don't know why. Anyways, just thought I'd added this in for a little bit of extra knowledge for if you're not using this value area, you're missing out because it's goaded. It's literally goaded. Thank you. Bye.